Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's Kaushik and today we're going to build something really useful and cool. We're going to make a currency converter using Python. This time we're going to do things little differently. Instead of fetching real-time exchange rates from the internet, we will do things simple and we will use predefined setup rates. This is a great way to learn about dictionaries in Python. Alright, so let's talk about what we need. First thing you will need is Python install and a code editor like VS Code, Sublime Text, etc. If you don't have those, check out the links in the description to get this set up. For this project, we don't need any special libraries, just a basic Python installation. This is a perfect project for the beginner to get started with core Python concepts. Now for the fun part, the code. The most important part of our program will be a dictionary that holds our exchange rates. A dictionary is a collection of key value pairs which is perfect for mapping one currency to another. Let's set up our exchange rates using US dollar as our base currency. This means all other rates are relative to 1 USD. Okay, let's make exchange rates array. And I'm using this from the internet. I have just searched and found this on the internet. So let's continue. Now let's create a function to handle the conversion logic. This conversion is a two-step process. First we will convert the amount to our base currency USD and then we will convert it to our target currency. Let's do convert currency, which is a function and is gonna take some parameters. So we're gonna just do amount from currency and the end one is going to be to currency. Okay, now we're going to normalize our currency name so it does not have some case sensitive error. So we're going to just do from currency dot upper dot per, and that will convert it to uppercase, and then we're going to do the same thing from to currency dot upper. Okay, so we normalize the currencies so we get the correct value and then get a case sensitive error. Now we're going to check if the currency we are trying to convert, so we're going to try to confirm that the currency we're trying to convert does exist in our exchange rates, or if our true currency or the currency we're trying to convert to is not in exchange rates. If both of those are not in exchange rates, mean the dictionary we created, then we just gonna show that these currencies is not currently supported. Okay, let's just remove this because these are not necessary. Okay, now it's okay. And here I just wrote not before is not in. Okay, no is. Why the hell did I write is? Okay, there you go, you fixed it. Now we're gonna convert the given currency to USD, so we're gonna just do currency to USD, and we're gonna just do, so we're gonna do amount divided by exchange rates, and the one we want to access is the from currency, which will be given by the user in the function. Okay, and then we're gonna just convert amount, converted amount is equals to whatever our currency in USD multiplied exchange rate and to currency. Okay. Now we have the currency converted amount from the currency to the currency. Now we're going to just show that we're going to use formatted string and we're going to just show. So we're going to show the amount from currency to currency is converted as converted amount. Okay. Now we just need to do is call this convert currency, and we can just for the timing let's just give it 25, and we're gonna just do form currency. We're gonna just do UR a string. You need to just give it UR euro and to INR. Let's just do that, and we're gonna just press Ctrl tilde, and then we're gonna just do Python app.py, and we're gonna run this, and there you go, we got the value. Great. Now that we have a way to handle the conversion, let's build the main part of our converter. We will ask the user for the amount they want to convert, the currency they are converting from, and the currency they want to convert to. So now we're going to just do if name equals to main. Then we're going to do, so we're going to just do amount to convert equals to float. We're going to take it as a float input, the amount that needs to be converted, and I'm going to just give it this, and then from currency equals to, we're going to just take in an input, enter desired currency, and just give it this, and then we're going to just do to currency equals input, same thing, enter desired currency. Now we're going to just do convert currency, and we're going to just give it the three variables we just took: amount to convert from currency and to currency, and that will print our result. Now let's run the program, and I'm going to just do python.py, and I'm going to just do 50, and we're going to enter the desired currency is going to be EUR, and then we're going to just do INR, and there you go, it is converted to the 4,538 rupees. As you can see, our new convert currency function first checks if the currencies are valid, then it performs two-step conversion, first to our base currency, then to our target currency. This is a very robust way to handle conversion between multiple currencies without needing a separate rate for every single currency pair. And that's it, a simple self-contained powerful currency converter in Python. I hope you find this updated tutorial helpful. This project is a fantastic way to practice using dictionaries and functions in Python without any external dependencies. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Python projects. Let me know in the comments what you like next to see. Thanks for watching and happy coding.